Well, good morning, fifth graders. So we're doing the first two pages of the chapter review. So this is pages 34 and 35. So you only have two pages to do, which is kind of nice. And since it's review, it's not going to take you very long. And also, since it's review, I'm not going to do very much. So this is going to be a really short video. So the very first page is vocabulary review, and it says choose the best term from the word list and write it on the blank. Well, this is the word list they're talking about here. So one of those words will simply fit in the blanks. And so I'll do number one for you guys here. It says decimal numbers that name the same part of a whole or the same point on a number line are called what? Base? No, that doesn't make any sense. Equivalent decimals? No, that could be it. Expanded form, no. Exponent, no. Power, thousands, value, no. So it looks like it would be equivalent decimals. So you guys would just simply write that in your book. Okay, that's how you do the vocabulary review. Pretty simple. Down at the bottom, though, let's see here. They do ask you to draw a line from each number in column A to the same number in column B. So, well, you guys know what exponents are. Let's see here. 4 times 10 to the third. Okay, 4 times 10 to the third. That's simply going to be 4 with what? With 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. There we go, 4,000. So where's 4,000? I see it right there at the top. So just draw a line matching the two. And number 10 says explain why each 8 in the number 8,888. Oh, actually, that might be a decimal. That might be 8 point. Yeah, I think it is 8.888 has a different value. Well, they fall on different places in a place value chart. All right? Use one or more terms from the word list in your explanation. So in whatever you write, make sure you use one of the words from the word list. That's what they're talking about there. Okay. Next page. So they usually have 2 or 3 of these reteaching pages, and I like them because what's nice is that they show you what pages you can find other examples. So on this side here, that you're doing set A, set B, set C, they kind of give you an example. And then they even tell you what pages you can find the similar work on. And then over here, on this side, on the right side, is what they want you to do. So for set A, if you look on your workbook, pages 5 through 8, you would find how to do these problems here. And then in set B, it says pages 9 to 12. They give you an example. And then this is what they want you to do. And you can find on pages 9 to 12 how to do those. Set C, same thing. Here are the page numbers. This is what they want you to do. And here's an example. So you guys should be able to go through these. Not only do they give you an example, they give you page numbers where you can find some in your book. So let's look real quick and see. So how can you write 7,000 using exponents? Well, they give you an example. How many zeros are there? And so it's going to be 7 times 10 to the third. 3 zeros, exponents 3. So using exponents, you can write 7,000 as 7 times 10 to the third. All right? So then you have to do that over here. So for number 4, for example, 2 times 10 to the fifth. Well, it's going to be 2. And then how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where do the commas go? think I've told you guys this before. Remember, you'd start all the way to the right and then count over 3. So 1, 2, 3, and that's where the comma goes. If there was one more number, we would add a second comma. All right, so that's 200,000. So you guys can do the rest of these. Set B, set C, and again, they give you the page numbers. And so just do pages 34 and 35. Probably take you guys a whopping 10 minutes maybe to do this. So that's it. I will see you guys today. We're going to grade 1-7, and then I'll cut you guys loose on the chapter review. And I'll see you guys later this morning.